This we're going to see here, passing from here, going here because this is normally closed, and going to line 2. It's a complete circuit, so this one should be light. And on our power circuit, it's on the terminal 1, 3, 5. If this one will close, the line current will go directly to the motor and run the motor, but at the moment it's not yet being started. Okay, this one has already been pressed. What happened is the current from line 1 going straight to stop, to start, or overload relay going back to line 2. When this one will energize, normally open contact will close. When the time we're going to release this one, the current will pass by here. And this one also will close. So the current will pass here and the run light will on. The current from line 1, line 2, line 3 goes directly to the motor, and now the motor is running. See the indication? Okay, when we're going to stop, it will back to its initial position. To do a lockout tag out first, so that we will be safe. This is our control circuit and this is our power circuit. First thing we're gonna do, I'm going to put this two auxiliary contact. You see this black dowel? I will put it here. Then you need to push. Okay, that's already locked. You need to push this one, and if we are going to put it, just put it here. Anyway, this is our power circuit. I already wired the power circuit. I am marking it 1, 2, 3, 4. See the terminal block? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, let's connect here. From here, going to line. Here. Line to our control circuit breaker. Going to neutral. Have supply here, the negative supply of our power supply. The negative is going to number 4. I will put it here. From 1 going to stop, going to stop push button here. This is the stop push button. Going to start. Start push button, going to our coil of our magnetic contactor A1 here. If this is your first time here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that every time I will upload a new video, you will be notified. And also check my other video like energy question and answer, hydraulic pneumatic, fan tips, motor controls, and many more. A2 is going to overload relay. Normally closed, we're going to connect it here. Normally closed. From our normally closed, going to line 4 here. So the first rung is already complete. What we're going to do now, we're going to test if this magnetic contactor will pull in. Turn it on. Breaker. Control circuit breaker. See, we have the light, so it's on. So the motor is already running, but we don't have latching because we didn't connect this auxiliary contact normally open. Let's connect this one. This is of the control voltage. 1 of the start. We connect it here. Then, so normally open is here. Connect it to the other end of the normally open contact. We need to switch on the control voltage. See? In order to stop it, we need to press the stop button. From normally open, going to our lights. Okay. Going to our lights here. From our lights, line 2 of the lights going to number 4. So this is the good thing if we put the numbering system in our wiring diagram or our schematic diagram, we will not get lost. Let's try again. We're going to start this one. This one is lights. I'm going to switch it off. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to connect this one so that this one will light when the motor is not running. It's just an indication. Let's connect to line 1. Number 1 here. Going to our normally close. And after that, let's connect to stop lights. Then from stop, out of the stop, number 2 of the stop, we're going to connect to line 4 here. Now we're going to start. Stop, this one should lit. Okay, good. When the pause button is pressed, the current flows from line 1 through stop 1, stop 2 that is connected in series, through start button that is connected in parallel, through magnetic coil, CR, through overload relay contact, and on line 2. This energizes control relay, which when energized closes the normally open contact to establish the holding circuit for the control relay. When the start button release, also closes the control relay main contact to line 1, line 2, line 3, and complete the circuit to run the motor. Closes also the normally open contact for the run light indication and open the normally closed contact for stop indication. Pushing either of the 2 stop pause button will open the circuit to the magnetic coil and the magnetic coil de-energize. Today I'm going to show you how to wire multiple start-stop circuit. Let's get started. From the positive terminal of our power supply going to line 1. For the negative supply for our 24 volts going to line 4. So now we already have supply from our 24 volts power supply going to our terminal block. This one. From line 1 going to our stop pause button here. Out of the stop pause button going to remote stop pause button. The remote stop pause button is here. I already wired for the stop 1 and 2, for the start 3 and 4. So I will going to connect to 1. I will just use wire nut to join it. From our 2 going to our start button is going here. Put the wire nut again. Going to our start button. From our start button going to our A1 of our relay, the magnetic contactor. Up A2 is going to overload relay. Overload relay normally close here. NC And from NC going to line 4, going to here. Now we're going to try if it works because it's already complete circuit. From line 1 going to line 2 for the first round. Let's try to start. If this motor will run. Okay, it's run. But we don't have yet a latching circuit. For the other start button, we're going to connect to 4. Okay, now let's try if it will start here. Okay, this one is already done. What we need is, we just need a auxiliary contact, the latching contact. This is normally open. Okay, we still need one here, going to normally open of our magnetic contactor. Okay, here. This time, it should latch. When you are going to push it here, the start button, you can press here the stop button. There is multiple start stop. If I'm going to press the start here, I can stop it here. So even though when you are 100 feet away, you can still start. See this one? You go to the other location, stop it. Now the next one is, we're going to connect the indication light. From line 1 going to the normally open. From normally open going to our lights. Start. And from lights going to line 4 here. When I'm going to start, this indication light for run button should light. Okay, when we're going to stop, it should stop. It should okay. Next is, we're going to connect normally close for our stop indication light. From line 1 going to our normally close. From our normally close going to lights. Lights. From our tube lights going to 4. Tube lights going to 4. Okay, when I'm going to start, this one should go away. When I'm going to stop, start, stop.
Jogging is the process that uses quick power in order to move a motor or load like conveyor into a desired position. According to NEMA, National Electrical Manufacturers Association, jogging is a quick repeated closure of a circuit to start a motor from stop motion for the purpose of accomplishing a small movement of the driven machine. Let's get started. start button, the current flows from line 1, goes through the stop pause button that is connected in series with the circuit, through the start pause button that is connected in parallel, through the magnetic contactor, overload relay, then back to the power supply line 2. When the magnetic contactor is energized, the normally open contact, which is our latching or sealing contact, will close. When you release the start button, the current flow will divert from line 1 through stop pause button, through normally closed auxiliary contact, through normally closed jug contact, through the magnetic coil, overload relay, then back to line 2. When you are going to press the jug pause button, the current will flow from line 1 through stop pause button, through the normally pause button that held closed momentarily, through the magnetic contactor, overload relay, then back to line 2.
Power supply.